region with varying levels of elevation in its topography. The Ilocos region is bounded by the South China Sea to the west and the Cordillera Mountain Range to the east. The Lingayen Gulf is also a notable body of water in the region, which houses the Hundred Islands National Park, a famous tourist destination in the region.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Region 4A, Calabarzon Region. Home to the largest number of Filipinos working overseas. It lies along the southern shore of Manila Bay, bounded on the
Of course, track and field, so rather, medyo mahirap talaga ang palarong po.
How was your entire experience?
Oh, you know, just like what I said a while ago, I was talking to you a while ago, ang palarong pambansa talaga, magagaling sa magagaling, the best of the best, ng buong bansa.
I'm from Cebu.
Oh, yes.
Cebuano ako. Pero nakapunta na ako sa Bicol. Huli ba ako? Huli ba Cebuano?
Patay, go!
And of course, Mayon Volcano is truly majestic. Mariana, once again, Region 5, Bicol Region! Ano ka taga masibang pakpak? Region 6, as they say, Inyo is the home. Some of the sweetest and most cheerful people in the Philippines. Urbanized cities of Pudong, Apalapa, and Manawag are great places to stay in for their central locations, gives you easy access to the other islands of Central Visayas. This is where you'll find shopping centers and luxury hotels as well. Central Visayas is one of the 8 anchor tourist destinations in the country. Central Visayas is one of the Visayas super regions whose strength is tourism. The Visayas Cruise Island is frequented by tourists from around the world. These islands boast white sand beaches, serene lakes, and rich history. And Region 7 Central Visayas, headed by Regional Director Dr. Julieta.
Well, I was able to try
Manila Store.
Yes, mga lechon, yan.
Once again, Mahigala, Region 7 Central Visayas.
Next up, we have Region 8, Eastern Visayas. The home of the Pintados and Sangyan Festival.
Kasing nandito sa Region 8 is the Goat's Milk Pastillas. Going ngayon dyan, Region 8! Ang isa silang kamot, mga daog ng gold. Of course, the port of Dapitan is sitting just northeast of the Polo, was the place of exile from 1892 to 1896 for the Filipino patriot Jose Rizal, and is the site of the Rizal National Park. Once again, Region 9, Zamboanga Peninsula.
Mga
Oo.
Hello, and welcome again to Davao. I think you also have the pink done. Think about
Ano ba yung pinong dahilan gamitin White Island?
Of course, they have the 9 cities that use Anawan to the north of us. 9 cities. We have the north of the city. That's not the city. Dito. Heard. Ang dami ko narinig na mga friends ko dito sa Surigao. So actually search.
Don't worry, I'll be there. Bato, Damitan, and Marawi, as well as the 63 barangays which were formerly part of North Cotabato. Under the new leadership of the Bangsamoro Transition Authority, the
National
that is free of the ills of government, a region where the dividends of just and lasting peace, as well as genuine economic growth, are clearly shared by its people. As we begin to operate into a parliamentary system, responsive and peaceful governance, coupled with high morals, should be highly observed. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao. That's all.
The center of the capital region is called as Metro Manila. It's the most populous of the 5 metropolitan areas in the Philippines. And the 11th most populous in the region is as the biggest center of the Philippines.
Guwapo ito. Davao Region.
Once again, a big round of applause for the National Capital Region. Dagang salamat, NCR.
Paspas.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Bob, a American Region of Minnesota Region.